Hi friends, Om Namah Shivaya. Last we discussed about the Ayodhya Kandam in Adhyatma Ramayana. In this video we are discussing about the Aranya Kandam, and as I discussed with you, Aranya Kandam is having 21 chapter in that, and total 2040 shlokas are there in that, and it start with the conversation. Then it's towards the Dandakaranya, towards the forest. Then it is about Viradha's hymns and Viradha Vadham and Viradha's hymn, that. Then it is coming of Sharbhanga and Sutikshna. At Sharbhanga ashramam, Ramas moved to extirpate the Rakshasas at the ashrama Sutikshna, and then it's come at the ashramam of sage Agastya, the Agastya Muni's ashramam. They meeting the sage Agastya and Agastya's hymn. Then they are moving towards the Panchvati. Really, Panchvati is a very beautiful place. I visited the place and it's very beautiful and historic. If you get a time and if you get a chance, please visit that place. It's very good, where the Agastya Muni ashramam and all the Panchvati things, river, and the stories about all these things you can view there. Then in Panchvati they are meeting with Jatayu. Jatayu is a friend of Dashrath Maharaj, and then Rama sermon to Lakshmana, and there then it's come Suparnaka's, and Suparnaka arrival, and Suparnaka's mutilation and destruction of Khara. Then Suparnaka's representation to Ravan, and she explained Ravan that a very beautiful lady there in the forest with two very good looking handsome guys with them and all. Then Ravana got desire to take the Sita, and Ravana approached Maricha to abort Sita. So during the conversation, Ravana and Maricha, so Ravana said ki if you not help him, he will kill him. So Maricha thought ki it's better to kill by Rama rather than killing by Ravan. So he assumed the form of golden deer, and Maricha turned into the golden deer, and he jumped in front of Panchvati ashramam, and there come the abduction of Sita. So Sita said ki she want the deer, so she asked her husband to get the deer. Before that, Rama said to Sita, and Rama converted Sita Devi, and Sita Devi was protected by the god fire, and Maya Sita was created there because Rama is aware of the Ravana's thing. So Maya Sita was there in the ashramam at the time of abduction. Then destruction of Maricha, Rama went behind the golden deer, and Sita's harsh word to Lakshmana, because Maricha cried, "Oh, Lakshmana, my brother." So Sita Devi asked Lakshmana to find it out ki what happened to Rama. So by the time Lakshmana went in search of Rama, Ravana abducting Sita in the form of sage. He asked Bisham Dehi when Sita approached him, because Lakshmana draw the Lakshman Rekha over there, and he given a clear instruction to Sita not to cross the Lakshman Rekha. He given the instruction to not cross the Rekha and not to come out of house. But Sita Devi out from the Lakshman Rekha, and Ravan took him in as took her, and then salvation of Jatayu. Abducting Sita was seen by Jatayu. He fight with the Ravana, and Ravana cut her wings. He he fallen into the Jatayu Mangala place in Trivandrum, near to Trivandrum. You can see that place also. It's very good to see. Then Rama, in search of Sita, met Jatayu and Jatayu's home, and then they perform the last rite of Jatayu. From there they are moving again. Then they reach in Kabanda, and then Kabanda's hive was there. From there they said to reach to Shabri Ashramam. Shabri Ashramam is also located near the Kerala. It is also a very good place to see. It's all mountain and a very good place to visit once in a lifetime. Then Shabri's Ashramam, Rama's here. Shabri shown the real meaning of devotion, and Shabri tell them ki one person can help to find the Sita, and the Rama disciplines of devotion, Shabri. There Aranya Kandam ends. Next is Kishkinda Kandam.